Hello, I'm Dr. Fraser Hatfield. I would like to welcome you to my maths tutorials on 2D vectors. The aims of these tutorials are to provide a simple step-by-step introduction to 2D vectors and help you with your revision for the GCSE or IGCSE maths examinations. The course is suitable for students taking the GCSE or IGCSE maths exams, also students returning to education, students requiring a refresher course on 2D vectors, and also students requiring a beginner's guide to 2D vectors. The tutorial topics to be covered are vectors and scalars, vector notation and terminology, vector arithmetic, also including worked example problems, and finally vector geometry. I'll also include some worked example problems here. In the next video we'll be covering the first of these topics, vectors and scalars. Okay, thanks for watching.